At first, activated molecular sieves in hot air. Few minutes later, the molecular sieves are added into methanol. So now we look at the total setup. A reflux condenser is set on the round bottom flux and a guard tube set on the head of the reflux condenser. And now on the water bath is heated and the methanol is reflux up to 30 minutes. Finally, we reach the final step. In final step, the refluxed methanol is distillation by this process. Here, the condenser and the head and tail. The head is joined with round bottom flux, and this is the total system of